Hello everyone. So hope you are all doing well. In this question, we are going to talk about polynomial division. So if the expression given n square minus 3, n square minus 9 over n square plus 3 is equivalent to expression 1 minus k over n square plus 3 for all values of n, then what is the value of k? Well, so n square minus 9 divided by n square plus 3. So I'm going to divide it by n square plus 3. We need to make the leading terms same. So the leading term is n square here, and here it's also n square. So we can times it by 1. So 1 times this n square plus 3 will give you the n square plus 3, right? N square plus 3. It will give you the same number. So I'm writing it down. N square plus 3. Next step, you're going to subtract it. Subtract. N square minus n square cancels out. The next, negative 9 minus plus 3, which gives you negative 9 minus 3, which is negative 12. So quotient is 1 and remainder is negative 12. And how we write the polynomial division? We write it in this form: quotient plus remainder over divisor. The quotient is given 1 plus remainder is negative 12 divided by divisor is n square plus 3. So you'll get 1 minus 12 over n square plus 3. And if you compare it with 1 minus k over n square plus 3, you can simply see this 1 is equivalent to 1. So the value of k in this case will be positive 12, as n square plus 3 and n square plus 3 is same. So you just compare the two equations and found out to be it's negative 12. You can simply say, if you compare with this, their equivalent expression, so k will be equals to positive 12 t. Okay. There is another approach. Instead of division, you can do it. What you can do, you have n square minus 9 in the numerator. In the denominator, you have n square plus 3. So you can see there is a 1 in that expression. And how can you get 1 in the expression? If numerator and denominator gets cancelled out. So in the denominator, we are getting n square plus 3. So by somehow, if we can bring a term in the numerator as n square plus 3, those will be cancelled out. So what I'm doing, I'm writing n square plus 3 in the numerator, and n square plus 3 is already in the denominator. But you have n square minus 9, right? But you have plus 3. So how to get 9 from plus 3? Or you can do one thing. You just write the negative 9. As you have added plus 3 newly, you just subtract a 3 from that. So what we did, there was no 3. There was no positive 3 in the expression. To make the denominator and numerator equals n square plus 3, we just added the 3. As you have added the 3 newly, you need to subtract it also to get cancelled out. And you'll be left with n square minus 9, the previous expression as it is. Now I'm going to separate them. So I'm writing n square plus 3 and minus 9 minus 3, that's negative 12 over n square plus 3. I'm separating them. This n square plus 3 divided by the denominator, and the second number is negative 12 divided by n squared plus 3. N squared plus 3, n squared plus 3 cancels out. So you'll get 1 minus 12 over n squared plus 3. And if you compare these two equations, 1 minus k over n squared plus 3, and this is 1 minus 12 over n squared plus 3. So for sure, the value of k should be equals to 12 then. So option D.